Today I'm doing a review on this 4K dash cam. This dash cam was gifted to me in exchange for my review today. Let's open up this box and see what we have. See, here's what came in the kit. We have the camera, which is the forward facing. It also has a small screen on the back. It is about 3 inches, but I believe that's going to be a great thing, having it up on your windshield. It will not impede your view of the front of your car, but it does have different angles that it does reach. It reaches about 170 degrees. This rear facing camera, it is not waterproof, so you cannot attach it to the outside of your car. You can keep it inside, and that'll make it safe and ensure that it'll be long lasting. These are going to be very easy to mount up. The cord for the rear facing is very long, so it will do very good about reaching all of the way to your back windshield. It also comes with a mount for the rear facing camera, and it comes with the 3M sticky that will ensure it will stay up there for a long time. And on the front, it's a suction cup. So it'll be very easy to install this dash camera. And then the front power for your camera here, it does plug into your cigarette lighter, a 12 volt with a quick start guide and directions and a user manual. And then all the tools that you'll need to place it in your vehicle. Have Wi-Fi. What's great about this is that it will loop record. So it'll continuously be recording. It also has an SD card, and it does come with that. On this camera, it does have super night vision. So it'll be able to see anything if it even is happening when you're not around your car. It will start recording if it senses anything, or if your car moves in any way, the cameras will start recording. So let's get this in my son's car and see how well it records. Now when you do put up this little plastic piece on your windshield, make sure that you are putting the red side on the windshield, and then this green side is where you'll put the suction cup for the front camera. Easy turn, and it will lock it in place. So easy to put it back behind the trim with that tool that comes in the kit. And it was easy. What you want to do is make sure that the window is clean where you put it on. Now we're going to place the camera on there, and he's going to turn it. And it was so easy to put that camera on there. And then he was able to hide the cords with the tool very easily down here.